Good day to all. Today we can discuss about length, diagonal and area of square. According to this slide, I consider the red color region as the square. So the square always has the side length and the perpendicular length are same. So here base length as S and perpendicular length also S. Okay, which is the dimension I have with the square. After that, what is diagonal? Yes, if I consider this square, the first corner, second corner, third corner and fourth corner. Four corners are available. Generally, the square has like four sides and four corners. So here I consider the line join between first corner to third corner means I can get the diagonal of the considered square. Now, how can we identify the area of the square? The general formula area, the base side of the square into perpendicular height of the square. Here you see the area is equal to A is equal to side S into side S, perpendicular side S is equal to S square, which is the area formula. And then what is the formula for diagonal? Already I told you the square can be divided into two equilateral triangle. So by the method of trigonometry we can identify the hypotenuse from hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, which is the formula for diagonal according to our considered square, which can be represented as the notation here. Hypotenuse is the diagonal, so d square, and the base, which is base length, which is S, so here S square, and the perpendicular, here also perpendicular height is S, so that d square is equal to S square plus S square. From this we can calculate as like S square plus S square is equal to 2S square. So from this easily I can get d square is equal to 2S square. From this we can easily calculate the S square. S square is equal to half d square. And how can I identify the S value from this? Yes, for the reason I taking square root of the considered equation with the left hand side and or right hand side. So from this we can get the side values as like S is equal to square root of half into d square, which half means 1 by 2. Okay, here 1 by 2 is 0.5, so the square root of 0.5 is equal to 0.7071 into square root of d square is equal to d. So from this side value S is equal to 0.7071 into d, we can get the side value. After that, how can I identify the diagonal? Okay, the diagonal I can relate the diagonal and the side length with this S is equal to 0.7071 into d, so that d is equal to S divided by 0.7071. If I transfer or identify the reciprocal of 1 by 0.7071, I get 1.414. So the side length d is equal to 1.414 into S. Likewise, I may get the formulas. So now we can get the formulas for how can we identify the side length and diagonal of considered square. Here I can explain the same with some numerical values. Here I can consider the side of the square is 10 mm. From this find the area and the length of the diagonal of the considered square. How? Yes, let's see. The area is equal to the base side into perpendicular side. Yes, it's equal to from this the 10 cross 10 I got because I consider the 10 mm square. So each and every side of square is same. So 10 into 10 I got 10 square. From this we can collect the area of square as like 100 mm. After getting the 100 mm square, how can we identify the diagonal as numeral? Yes, diagonal formula already we found diagonal d is equal to 1.414 into S. Okay, from this S is equal to side value which is 10 mm. I considered the problem, so that diagonal d is equal to 1.414 into S, so that S is 10 mm. So 1.414 into 10. From this I can get the diagonal of 10 mm square is 14.14 mm. So if the problem has the area value, means from that area also we can identify the diagonal of a square and base height and length of the height of the square, which is the relationship between area and geometry of square. Thank you all. If you are having any doubt, you may ask me through comment box.